So here's how you can enable landscape mode on iPhone iOS 17. So the first thing that you need to do is to open up your settings and go for this general. Tap on software update on the top and make sure that you are using iOS 17, which is the latest version of the iOS. Now the next step is you have to turn on the standby mode. For that, scroll down until you see standby mode under the wallpaper and tap on this. And make sure that it is set to turn on and all the options below are set to turn on as well. Now once you are done, to activate your landscape mode, you just have to put your iPhone onto the home page, and now you have to put your iPhone in the landscape mode on a wireless charger or plug in your wire charger. And once you do that, you just have to wait until it goes into the standby mode, just like that. Now you can customize your clock, your calendar, and all of your widgets by tapping and holding on them. And you just have to enter your face ID or passcode, and after that, you will be able to change all of the customization of your iPhone landscape mode. So hope this helped. This is how you can enable landscape mode on iPhone iOS 17.